my name's Christina and you're watching Proud Bookline, and today I'm going to do the tongue-tied title challenge. And this challenge was created by Jesse the Reader, and I'll leave his video down below. And I was tagged by Gillian from the Green Reader, and I'll leave her video down below. And you basically say a title fast 10 times without saying it wrong. But I can barely say titles right, talking normally, so this will go great. So I decided to do 10 books. Jesse did 15, but if I can do one of my 10 titles, I will be very satisfied with myself. The first one I have is The Perks of Being a Wallflower. Oh my god. The perks of being See, I'm already failing this. Great. The perks of being a wallflower, 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 the perks of being a wallflower. I think I did it. Next one I have is Salt to the Sea. Salt to the sea, 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 salt to the sea. That was easy. The third one I have is The Giver. The giver, 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 no. The giver, the giver, the giver, the giver, why am I saying that? The giver, 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 the giver. God, that was harder than I thought. And then I have What We Saw. What we saw, what we saw, what we saw, what we saw. No. What we saw, 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 what we saw. I know it doesn't sound like what we saw, but yeah, I said it. Next up I have Second Chance Summer. Second Chance Summer, Second Chance Summer, Second Chance Summer. Second Chance Summer, 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 why? Second Chance Summer, Second Chance... No, I'm failing so hard. Second Chance Summer, 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 Second Chance... No, I was so close! Second Chance Summer, 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 Second Chance Summer. Oh god, that was 10. Whew, I did it. Next up I have Black Eyes. Black Eyes, 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 Black Eyes. Nailed it. Next up I have Lady Midnight. Lady Midnight, 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 Lady Midnight. I'm on a roll. I'm going to fail this one just because I said that, so yeah. And next up I have The Archived. The Archive, 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 The Archived. Oh, I didn't fail! And the next one I have is The Last Olympian. The Last Olympian, 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 The Last Olympian. That one's great. The last one I have is the book that I'm currently reading, which is The Bane Chronicles. So, The Bane Chronicles, 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 The Bane Chronicles. Bam! Nailed it! So yeah, I didn't fail as much as I thought I would. I'm very proud and happy, and this challenge is so fun. And I tag Adeline Reads, Next Door Fangirl, and Everything Books. So you guys have been tagged, and if I didn't tag you, you are now tagged, because this challenge was actually really fun to do, and I would love to see your guys' videos. And yeah, I guess that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Your support means the world to me. Have a great day / night / whatever part is for you guys. Bye. I'm going to fail this one. See you.